and what it do. This is your favorite Cuzzo, and I am back with another banger. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you can be notified when your favorite Cuzzo posts another video. What we have prepared before us is 6 snow crab clusters. I have been all over the DFW looking for lobster tails and blue crabs. I can't find nothing. No, I can't. Now, before we get into this bite, we're gonna talk about it. Before we get into this bite, let's go ahead and get into this prayer, because right here on the bow it. How was your weekend? It's lit. We've been talking about it. I love you too. I love you. I really do love you. Bye. God, thank you so much once again for the food that you have prepared for my body, Lord God. Lord God, that means if we made it till right now, Lord God, that means we made it through another weekend. And we just want to say thank you for your grace, Lord, and thank you for your mercy, Lord God. We know the plans that you have for us, Lord. Sometimes we might not understand them, but we trust your plan no matter what it is. So we just come here right now to actually let us have an amazing week. And we just want to say thank you. In your name I pray. Amen. I know this butter look raggedy, so put it in another bowl like that. I warmed it up. You see me? You see me? You see me? No? I know I just got a haircut, but girl, we here. Now, let's go ahead and get into this bite. Hell yeah, we fit to do it. Starting with a little car. Oh, I finally found these at, where I found these at? I may not have overcooked these. Oh, if I it's lit. It's lit. I finally found these at, I think, Albertsons. You want me? You good? I bet. Seafood is scarce around this, so I'm going. I know it. Especially out here. Because seafood, it's lit. Cause you want me? You good? All right, babe. Because out here we not next to no oceans or anything, so our seafood is already expensive. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I found some at Outback. But that some guns wanted $100 for 8 tails. I said no, I don't have it. I'm being broke too. I don't have it. It's lit. I understand that reason though. I do. For it being so expensive. Because I know they got to go through what they got to go through, but hell, that don't mean I got it. Hell no, I don't. I'm hungry today. Well, anyway. You gotta use what you got to get what you want. Just do. My phone fell somewhere. I had to tell you something. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you, cause look at that right there. You see it? I know it's lit. How many of these clusters you think I'm gonna eat? No, we're not doing that. How many of these clusters you think I'm gonna eat? It's 6 of them. Drop in the comments right now how many of these you think I'm going to eat. I know you ain't got no. Oh, you give a little face. Somebody gonna say 1 cluster. I know y'all. I know you. You ain't got no faith in me. No. Came with a little appetite today. These some going big though. They nice. Bigger than the ones I usually get. Oh, damn. I almost had that song going on. Oh, that's hot. It's lit. I don't know where I got that from. It's lit. Look at my phone. I'll tell you something. Spit right there. Let me see. Friday when we left, I think I said 122. Girl, we had 124,577. 124,000 subscribers. I said, Lord, if I ain't had 1,000 tongues, thank you, bro. Thank you, big dog. God with a capital G. Yes, Lord. 124,000 opinions. Y'all got them. Yes, we do. I appreciate them. Somebody said I was the fastest, slowest chewer they've ever seen. They thought I eat fast, but I chew so damn slow. I said, what the hell is happening? We him. He's good, him. That butter good though. Got my damn crackers. I'm eating broke a tooth. Damn spit. Broke a tooth around this one. Wait a minute. I know, cuz I came here with a little appetite today. That vinegar in that water. That vinegar in that water does that trick. It does it. It does it. Carla must be up in there asleep because I don't even hear him. You know, he done been made his grand entrance in this song going. I'm eating a little bit. I'm gonna talk to you, good. I'm gonna talk to you. You waiting on me to talk to you? I know it. I missed you too. What y'all been doing? Oh yeah? You went to church yesterday? I've been listening to, Sarah Jakes Roberts on Sundays. On her podcast, she drops podcasts every Sunday of discernment. We're not missing no word around here. No, we're not. Have they opened the churches back up though? Have they? I'm not even sure. I've been staying out the way. I know it. You see me on Snapchat Friday night. I know it. I know it. A lot of people, where your mask at? Ma'am, I didn't want to take a picture with that damn mask on. It does not suit my outfit. I'm not gonna do this with you. Where your mask at? Head ass. I got it. Somebody call him. Somebody call him right now. We're gonna get with you later, love. Right now we're in the middle of working. That mask didn't go with my outfit, so I took it off for the picture. I know it. I know it. We're not gonna be here long. I gotta eat some more. I feel like every time I say let's get into this conversation, I stop eating. So I'm trying to execute these damn snow crabs. It's lit. You know what some damn lobster tails at. Can you please call me? Call me. I was supposed to give you my number. But I thought about it. I was about to give you my number. If you know what some lobster tails at in the DFW, call me. Call me. I can't find them. Just send me a message. Don't call me. I ain't gonna answer. I'm gonna put the mail here. Let's get the meal there. Now, we're not gonna be here long. We're not. You look a little ashy. You're a little ashy. That's all right. Let's go ahead and get into this conversation. Happy freaking Monday, my love. I hope your weekend was amazing. I hope you came back, to me, safe and sound. I hope that whatever you have been praying for, I hope it comes into fruition. I never could get that damn word right. And I know that there's some of us right now waiting on what we done prayed on. I know it, because I'm one of them. We're waiting on what we done prayed on. I just want to remind you that while you are waiting, you are not delayed. Okay. You are delayed and not denied. No, you're not. He might not come when you want him, but he is always on time. So whatever you're praying for, you just might not be ready for it right now. And that's okay. But sometimes God got to clear our path, and we don't know what he be protecting us from to make sure those mountain moves. So when you do try to open that door, it's open for you. Be patient, you know, and find your joy in that journey and just relax, you know. So I know right now it seems like it's a little cloudy, but I tell you what, we got to go through to get to, baby. Damn. We got to go through to get to, baby. Just because you delayed don't mean you denied. There's some things we waiting on right now. You better tell Jesus what you want. It's harvesting season around this sun gone. You know the seeds you planted, them good seeds by doing right by people. Whoa. Them good seeds that you planted by doing right by people, guess what? They got to sprout. They got to come back up. But let me tell you something. If you know you done wrong by people, those got to sprout too. So just make sure you're planting powerful seeds and trying to do right. You know, when nobody else watching. You know? It's all good when a spotlight on you. But when them cameras turn off, who are you? You know? And you know what else I need to tell y'all? And cook these shallow to perfection. All right, look at that salmon. I cooked that to perfection. Please leave. We've talked about this before. Let me clean my hands. I got stuff everywhere. We've talked about this before. Let me see. Stop dumping your damn problems on people. Stop dumping your problems on people. If every time you call somebody it's always about gossip or it's always about bad news, don't nobody want to hear that. Don't nobody want to hear somebody who always got something wrong with their head asses. Suck it up. There's people going through something worse. Don't nobody want no damn Debbie Downer as a damn friend. We don't want to hear that. Every time you turn around, how was your day? Oh, it was good, but... oh, it was great, but... and you always want to point your fingers on somebody else. Suck it up. Suck it up. Stop making people your emotional dumpsters. People got their own problems. Don't nobody want to be your damn emotional dumpster. Check on your strong friends. Hey, you good? But if you're that friend that every time you turn around you just want to gossip, don't come over here with that. I don't want to hear that. Excuse me. That was a little manly. But don't nobody want to hear that. Don't nobody want to gossip with you. Don't nobody give a damn about no drama. Some of us really don't give a damn about what such and such said about us. Some of us don't. If you're calling me to gossip, now every once in a while I do love me a good gossip. It gets my day going. I know it. But I got to be in the mood. Most time I'm not in the mood, but sometimes I do just love me a good little gossip. I do. But if you're that friend that's all, or you got a friend that every time you call, they always got some mess. Oh, that's ashy. They always got some mess behind them. Don't nobody want to hear that, man. Don't nobody want to hear that. That one. What that one? A little garlic. Aye, but don't nobody want to hear that. You know, people want to be around people who spread love and positivity and prosperity. Every time, check on your strong friends. Hey, how how you doing today? If every time you think about it, if every time you call somebody or they call you, all they want to do is talk about themselves or talk about somebody else, that's not your friend. That's not your friend. Because why do you feel so comfortable talking to me about somebody else, especially in a bad way? That's not your friend. It's not. You're supposed to be spreading light. You messy. You are. You messy. I'm not talking to you. I know you perfect. Here it is. Anyway, it's just sometimes I will go literally days without answering my phone for some people because you just never know what the hell they calling for. These sometimes look, hey, should I like to work? Well, the video over now. Well, the video is over now. Turn it up. Yeah, we're gonna turn it up. Anyway, because just reevaluate your circle, cause if you got somebody who always draining you of your energy, cause you deserve better than that. You deserve to be that summer gone ashy. Damn, you deserve to be happy on a level of mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, all of that. We got enough stuff. Hold on, cuz. Hello? My bad, cuz. I don't even know what the hell I was talking about. But you deserve to be just happy on all levels, all aspects. If you got somebody in your life that's draining you from your energy, or not just looking on the negative side, if you ain't got somebody trying to help you reach your full pinnacles, your full potential, somebody encouraging you, somebody to motivate you, you know what I'm saying? You need to reevaluate your circle, cuz. Like that, and that's just the bottom line. And think about the way you treat people too. Cause I sometimes have to do a reality check on how I treat people. Cause sometimes everything could be just about me. I'm not gonna lie. And I don't be trying to do it like intentionally at all. But it's just like sometimes I have to check myself and do a reality check and do an inventory. I'm like, okay, Ashley, how are you treating the ones that matter to you? You know what I mean? And so I'm just glad I got friends that'll tell me about my own ass. Girl, my friends will cuss me out. Anyway, but it's about that reciprocation and just having friends who will tell you, you know what I'm saying? Check on me today or whatever. Just check on your strong friends. And while you checking on your strong friends, make sure your circle around you is adding to more than it is subtracting. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes what we don't realize is, we could be at wrong too. You know what I'm saying? So do an inventory and a self-check this week and just figure out who are you and who is your circle and how are they helping you reach your full potentials. Because you deserve to be happy. I'm ready to go. No clue what this video was about, but we're here. Love you so much. It's not on you, it's in you, baby. And what's in you, they could never freaking take away. Have an amazing, prosperous week. I will be here tomorrow at 8:18 as I do all day, every day. Happy 124,000. Jesus is lit. Jesus is amazing. I love you from the bottom of my heart. This is your favorite Cuzzo. This is your favorite Cuzzo. You already know to do. God is love it. Don't forget to drink a bit for me. This is your favorite Cuzzo. Let's get it. Welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you had an amazing freaking weekend. This week, just take a self-inventory on what you want and what you will allow. You know what I mean? Because just because you allow it don't make it right. You know what I'm saying? And just protect your peace at all costs. Cause protect your peace. It's important. It's a part of your journey. So if you're not happy, how are you going to make somebody else happy? I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Call! Spit. I'm going to do that over. Ooh. Call!